is a BlockParty.
Hello, 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 hello. Welcome, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. Welcome. Welcome to another Mission Impossible stream. How is everyone doing? Hey, Parth is first, yes. What happened to my video? Why is this like this? Transform fit to screen. There you go. Yo, Tan the man. Not audible? Who is not audible? I'm not audible? What kind of black magic is this? Okay, that's why. You are audible. My PC was muted. Oh, okay, okay. Good, man. I went in a bug fix witch hunt. Sorry, last time I was busy. Oh, yeah. How was your chess tournament, by the way? Tan the man. Chess tournament, right? Like not the last but previous stream. You had to wake up early for a chess. No, we haven't. That's the thing. You don't tell me anything. I have to keep guessing. Where is this? Man, my PC is such a mess. I need to clean it. He is going to internet. Oh my god, that's awesome. Sorry, last time I was busy playing with a game. Which game were you playing, Dan? What did we do last stream? I already forgot. We talked on 15th, right? I don't remember. I'm not. He's lying. We have to represent your college. Okay, okay. Where at the nationals level or? I've seen Prath is very flexible with facts and truths and all. Let's change the tune. I don't want to listen to this today. How about this? Yeah.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase.
How about this?
Ain't no love like real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up.
The college one, right? Yeah, college one. We have to represent our college. But where, like at the national level, international level, where did you reach? I remember you were going to participate, but then maybe I don't remember, maybe we didn't talk about it. Pras, you don't speak facts, man. You speak everything. You are a mixed bag of information. Let me choose some good music, man. I don't like this. This is too sad. This is okay. I think we have played this before. This is good.
And the shuttle has cleared the tower.
Whole state colleges took part in. Okay. What happened? Like, did you win? Did you lose? Was it draw?
Critical vehicle function.
What is this? Small. Tauri Dave, just to see where we are. There you go. We have tan falling down. My screen resolution is different. College student got second in tournament. Awesome. He's going to Mumbai and he reached Mumbai, I think, for national. Ooh, nice. Okay, so we can do this. Okay. What was the plan? Where did we end the stream last time? Why don't I remember? What do I need to do next? That is my question. Unfortunately, I did not take any notes. Ooh, let me. What do you guys think about this? Let me play something. Okay, are you guys ready? Just listen to the lyrics of this song, okay? And listen to the music. Where's the chat? Okay. Will national level players become the... That's awesome, man. That's good opportunity. Listen to this.
Let's go! DaveMode on the screen! Dropping in, writing lines of code, feeling laser focused, yeah, you know the scene. Stacking up the functions till I hit the API, making something awesome for the whole team. DaveMode! We building up the future. Got that algorithm power, ain't nothing we can't do, sir. DaveMode! We building up the future. Yeah, we building up the future.
How is it? Do you guys hear it? Do you want to play again?
Let's go! DaveMode on the screen! Dropping in, writing lines of code, feeling laser focused, yeah, you know the scene. Stacking up the functions till I hit the API, making something awesome for the whole team. DaveMode! We building up the future. Got that algorithm power, ain't nothing we can't do, sir. DaveMode! We building up the future. Yeah, we building up the future.
Okay. You sang this? Yeah, I composed it. I'm a musician on the side. I could hear from the first one. I know, man. I was playing with BlockParty. Yeah, I was playing with Google's new music composition feature in their AI Gemini. So, man, Tan can identify AI from miles away. Oh, okay. Yes. Now I remember what we are going to do. Let me change the resolution so that I can see my screen a little bit better. Oopsie daisies. Yes, this is better. Yes, better. And now let me run the code again. Oh yeah, we had also connected this to the emulator, right? Yes, we had. Firebase emulator. I don't have it running. Let me run that. Did I save the script to run that? Emulator running. I need to open my chat here so that music is too loud. Okay. Is this better? What do you do with AI, Tan? How do you spend time with AI? Let's see. Emulator. Oh, okay. Do this. We have done this in real time. Users. There is one user. If I do clone, username, player 2, clone. Woo! It's still loud. Is it better? I had also created admin thingy, right? See, now I know. Oops, I want to do this. And I have so much stuff open. Not in the window you see, in the window that I see. Let me move this here. Good. Now we are here. Good. Now we are here. Good. Music is still louder than my voice. What the hell? How is that possible? It's like super low. Okay. I can send them messages like this. Hello world. Send notification. And you click on it. I cannot click on it. I have to do this. Hello world. Hey. See this? See our dancing buddy. So I can just close this. We are done. Is the music still loud? Let me know. So we have done this so far. Next, what I wanted to do was I wanted to create a personal avatar. Right? What? Dude, is the music still loud? Oh. Sorry. So I had 2 streams of sound going on, and that's why it was loud. Now it will be better. Is it better now? Is this an app, a website, or it's only on your stream, or is it everywhere? This is an app. It's on my desktop. It's not a website. So I can close this website and I can go back to the app. Here, you see these dancing buddies? Yeah. So these are on my desktop. So the idea is a living desktop where you can a new chat interface, right? Basically of a living desktop. So how can I chat with you? In an ideal world, what are these buddies gonna do? We are still exploring what can it do and what it should do or what it shouldn't do, rather than can. So where was I? Yeah. So ideally we can have Discord or Telegram or even Twitch chat API linked to it. So whenever you message me on Twitch, this guy jumps, or message me on Telegram, this guy jumps around. I'm still not sure what I want to do. What's your ideal world? And like in the what I mean by ideal world means that these companies have APIs that allow me to do this. I have not explored it, so I'm not sure if there are APIs to do this. So now that with APIs, we can practically do anything we want, right? Again, not anything, but whatever the APIs allow us to do, and we can do combination of so many different things. For example, if we link this to Twitch, these guys to Twitch, then your messages, like the more you message, the more larger more points you accrue, the more larger these guys get, and then you can have them fight each other, something like that. But how about that was the original idea, like connected to some chat APIs. Yeah. That's the idea. But before I do that, I want to just play around with what else can we do. So the next step that we are going to do is we are going to allow users to create their own character. So that's what we are going to build next. Oopsie daisies. Okay. So that's what we are going to do next, where users can upload their photo, create their character, and when we chat, you should see my character and I should see your character. And your character on the screen will be your entry point. It will be like your menu option. So when you click on your character, it opens a menu bar and you can do things to it. You can't do things to it, but you can select different menu options. You don't want to do things to the character. I mean, it's your character. Whatever you want to do. So that's what we are going to build next. That's what I'm trying to say. I need to still improve the interaction. So the way it works right now is the app is selected. So I can interact with the characters, but I cannot interact with anything else, which is by design because you don't want to accidentally click on things while trying to click on these avatars. But the mechanism to move around, it's a bit weird. Oops. So I will improve that later on. Yo, where is my thing? So we have a prompt for that. Yeah, this is what we are planning. See, I had written it down last time. This is a PRD. We want a personal avatar, right? It acts as the anchor for all things, all settings, notification, blah, blah, blah. We can then add more features to it, but yeah. And it can have all these different states. It can be walking, wandering, frozen. Ooh, interesting. Four phases, 4A, 4B, 4C, okay. Let's see. I'm just going to use this. So in again, we can also use, once we have this method to identify our characters, our avatars. Let me create a new one. We can also use it as a UI for, let's say, a AI running on our desktop, right? It could be our Jarvis sitting there and it has access to the live desktop and it can talk to it, summarize for it, do magical things for it. So that's why I'm not sure what I'm going to build with this BlockParty. I'm just building stuff to see where it goes right now. Okay, let's see. So tell me, Dan, what are you doing with AI? I am curious. What private things are you doing with AI? So one of the things I saw, a lot of folks who take advantage of these agentic coding tools is they have 3-4 such agentic requests going on at a time. I wonder how would the tool work for overlapping changes? I always find it confusing that how do I plan it so that I have 2-3, or maybe they are working on 2-3 different projects. Maybe that is the thing they are doing. Oh, you still haven't played it? Man, I worked so hard on it. Play it when you get a chance. I don't know, if you haven't played it yet, that means the app might be shut down. I didn't get a chance to Move it to a new project. Move it to a new backend. Who is Magic and Any Master? Are those your friends? Well, you know the word called gunning? What is gunning? I have no idea. Oh, you tried and you can't play. Maybe then the server is down. I'm quite sure. The server not down, but shut down. Okay, let's see. Yeah. This means the backend is down. I told you, right? In this one, I need to move it to a paid server. It's a matter of time, man. I don't have time. We're for our best friends. That's nice. Drama? What is drama? What drama? Come on, turn the user avatar use self user when the user joins the party. I'm not going to read it. I'm just going to say proceed. Me. I still don't know what gunning is, by the way, guys. Oh, I'm not searching it. I'm actually creating my Twitch account. So next stream, because Twitch API is easy to play around with. So next stream I can dual stream and we can link your Twitch chat to these avatars. It's something we all do, Mr. Streamer. I doubt if something is. If it is something that you like kids do frequently, I doubt if I'm doing it. I really don't know what is gooning. Ooh. This is the There you go. Our Twitch account is ready while this builds. I warn you, there's something we'll do. No, we don't. You definitely don't do it. Nah, I think the streamer does it too. Oh, I didn't know this. What is, what is gooning? Tan, ping me on Discord and tell me. else I have to search. There's no programming. Yeah, there's no programming category in Twitch. That's weird. Do not search it. You will be. I am not going to search it, man. I am not going to search this. I am actually creating my Twitch account. That's all I'm doing. Display name. Yes, thank you. This is what I want. Ooh, nice. Command set is implemented, covers all your modifiers, toggling there. So now let's see, what did it build? We're going to shut it down. We're going to run it again. Or maybe I'll see the category when I stream on it. Ooh, look, this guy. See this guy with the star? This is me. Oh, baby doll. I like it. It's ugly, but I like it. Let us fix the UI. See this guy? I need to again, yeah, command center is like weird. Oops. The command center UI is blocking the avatar. Fix it so that the command center renders on top of a head. On top of the avatar's head like a chat bubble. Like the chat bubble does right now. What's the category? I think this is what. Oh no, on Twitch. I was trying to see if I can define categories of like what kind of channel is this going to be. But I can't find it. So maybe it's the category is just for the. Lost my chain of thought. For the video that you create. Add a profile picture. Do I have a profile picture downloaded somewhere? Ooh. Oh man. Programming. Yeah. Oh, you mean you asking what category? Ideally programming. But if nothing, then we'll just do just chatting. I am such an idiot. Or maybe I am not. Or maybe I am. Maybe I am not. Okay. This works. Ooh. Let me restart. Let's go. So we have the. Where am I? Okay, this is me. Oh, now it's blocking everything. Let's confirm again. The second thing is when we toggle BlockParty thing, it doesn't work as expected. It just stays in the air. We don't want that. Yeah, I don't like this. Let me take the screenshot. Arey Baba. Let me take a screenshot. It's not rendering in the bottom, right? No, it's not. The menu is worse now. It clips on the bottom of the screen. It's supposed to go up. It's supposed to go up above the head of the avatar. See the chat bubble styling for reference. Ooh, banner. Banner. See, I'm doing multitasking. I am also creating my Twitch. And I'm also programming and I'm also streaming. Holy crap, this is like multitasking to the... What was my bio in my this thing? I'll just copy that. Customization. Nope. Oh. Ooh. Where did it go? Holy crap, did I close it? No, I didn't. Okay, I think our channel is ready to go, boys. How do I see this? Channel. All right. Here is our new channel. Unfortunately, I already forgot its password. Damn. Maybe I remember it. Turn on the DaveMode. Now it uses this. Okay, let's see. Well, you have a follower. Oh my god, am I that famous? Let me also follow myself. Oh, I need... Ah, man, I have so many things. Okay, let's see. Let's go back to this. There you go. Looks good, right? Looks good. I just need to fix this. There's this weird bubble. Ah, this is what I need to get used to. Okay, now go back. See, there's this weird... I think they are trying to do this shadowy thingy. I don't like this. But otherwise, I like it's pretty cool. Command center. I like this. The okay. The location of the menu is perfect. But there are two issues. One, remove the weird outline or shadow that it has. Is it outline or shadow? I think it's shadow. I'll just say shadow, otherwise it will remove. And second, when I toggle show BlockParty, the BlockParty avatars are stuck on in the middle of the screen. They should fall down as they did. It will understand what it needs to do. But Tan, now do you imagine how would this look like? I was also thinking, and oh, look, it changed. Yay, it fixed. Okay, let's see. Why is it still stuck? Let's restart. Can you repeat? Oh, yeah. No. I was just thinking out loud. Yo, code guy. Welcome. Now I am in here. What the hell? Okay. Hide BlockParty. Show block. It's so perfect. It is so perfect. Look at this. Look at these guys. Yay. I can close the menu. I can go to the admin. I can say, oops. I can say, interesting. Okay, let's see how it works. Hello. And I can send notification. I need to remove this. I hate that. And then I can say this. I can say, oh, yay. Code get full already. Thank you, Tan. Thank you. Let me pin. Can I pin that? Pin message. I don't use it. Oh. No problem, man. I'll be streaming on both. This is so good, man. This is so good. Oh yeah, I just made the account right now. Git add commit -m. What did we do in this phase? We did command center. Added self command center. There you go. Let's do phase 4B. If you like it, the next step after agent is to build open a bridge. Yes, phase 4A done. Let's move to the next phase. I am thinking, can we use Gemini or Nano Banana for character customization. I don't want to use OpenAI because OpenAI is evil. Evil. Maybe next time I'm seeing on full line. This is Code Guy's late night pre-sleep routine, I guess. And then during the stream he'll go to sleep. I have a soothing effect on people, guys, so this is a perfect way. I can also talk in a deep soothing sound if this is what you want to get to sleep. Sleep, my friend, go to sleep. Dream of code, dream of syntax errors. I'm not errors. Dream of successful tests. Okay, we are moving to phase B, the character AI the vision. AI character customization pipeline. Image upload API. You want to send the user's image to Gemini for this instruction. Okay. Gemini SDK. That is the JSON content update the okay. So I didn't get where the prompt came into picture. Okay. I think when we send the okay, let's see how it goes. If you want to get a fancy later, you can line up and I'll take JSON. Okay. Makes sense. I'm going to use a new agent for this. Maybe next time I'll create LOL speak normally. Okay. DaveMode ASMR. I know. I already kept the sound to 90% ASMR. I'm done. Am I too loud? But this is so cool, guys. Do you see the potential here? Oops, didn't mean to do that. I don't know how it looks in the stream, but on desktop it looks pretty cool. I won't do it today, but next stream is going to be a dual stream on Twitch and YouTube, and then we'll link it to Twitch there. I like this. Look at this. It's so beautiful. We also have to. Okay, now that I'll continue with my original thought that I had. I was doing that last time as well, but I don't think I had any audience when I did that. I have 4 different projects going on in my life right now. Right? One is at work, which doesn't count here right now. I would never stream while working. Second is something that I'm building, like my own personal AI assistant, right? Something like OpenClaw, but my own version of it. I want to make it more secure. I want to make it so that I have more control over it. Third is a SaaS application. Maybe I can stream while building that. And fourth is this. What project are you dealing in work? I can't share more details, but basically we are building AI agents to do fun, freaky, awesome stuff for enterprises, of course. Okay, good. Okay, good. This is smart. Proceed. Suggest some ways to make money, man. It's boring. Go to office. I know. That's where I was getting at. Like, yeah, I want to build something that at some point can be a income stream. And I want to build something that I can also continue to build every day without streaming. Right? Like if I'm building my personal assistant, I work on it every day, couple of hours. And then every Sunday we can work on it together. And then you see a lot of progress. So something like that. I don't know, how do I plan? There was a interesting, there's this thing called, let me open it. Idea browser. They suggest different ideas that you can build. Why is this? Okay. That will make us money, I know. So there's this website called ideabrowser.com, which publishes different ideas, I think almost every day or every week or something. And it allows you to build these things. Like if you build it, there's potential to earn out of it. Are you rich, or you might have collected money for the retirement? Man, I'm not rich. I'm Gorang. I'm far from retiring. I don't think I want to retire, but so I'm not worried about that. But I want to build stuff that provides value to someone, and then in return of that value, if I earn money, that's perfect. If not, even that's okay. But something that I can be proud of, Like we made Wavelength game before this. It was fun. It was a good learning. Hey, where is my avatar? What the hell? Okay. It was fun and all, but I don't know. I want to build something else. This is also fun, but I'm still not satisfied. Let's explore this. Where is the idea browser? Non-emergency medical transport is a simple service with a brutal back office. Drive a patient dialysis, submit a claim, get denied because the authorization code was okay. Building run plugs into operator this pulls the trip data, submits a clean claim formatter, each pay as specification. Oh, interesting. YWA, but what is YWA? But not useful, to be honest. Exactly. I don't know what YWA is, but I think we are on the same. Like it's fun. It's yeah, we built something, but something that provides value. That's my thing. View detailed execution strategy. Okay, I'll look into that later on. So what are you building nowadays? Code? Type or EA? Okay. I thought YWA is some cool young generation lingo. Yeah, YWA, you know. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but not useful. Thor is cooking something private. I guess he will. Oh, okay. Where is he? Like, are you guys in touch? Like, do you guys chat on Discord or something? Add me to that group, man. What is Thor cooking? I'll be back. Me, nothing. Is work taking up a lot of your time? As an environment variable, okay. Oh, let me close this. I need to bring this down. I need to get a Gemini API key. Am I logged in? Yes. Where is it? Copy. Okay. Now if I do this, did it create an API endpoint? What happened? Okay, now if I do this, let me see, what did it create this time? Okay. Ooh. Okay, okay. Let me see if I have a picture. Not this. Okay, you know what? What will be easier? I'll just take a picture right now. Because let me move this. Finally. Because I have a green screen, and then I think this thing. Oops. This thing will be able to generate the image quickly. Oh, sorry. Yeah, because I have a green screen. This thing will be able to generate the image quickly. Where is it? Where is it? Sync. Sync, my dear friend. Sync. Syncing one item. There you go. Got it. Okay, so now if I do upload photo, photos, open. Did you see the freaking animation? Dude, what was the error, by the way? Customization failed internal. Close. I tried to upload the picture, but it's failing with this error. Firebase functions are up. Let's see. Function simulator, yeah. Okay, I see. The functions, I need to build them, right? They are TypeScript functions. So I need to run this in the functions directory. Let's go here. cd functions, npm run build watch. Loaded function customize avatar. Now it should work. Did tan sleep? TNW. Yeah, I think he went to sleep. Or he went to play a game or something. Allow once. Ooh, so that means I need to add my API key over here. Ooh. By the way, you saw the animation, right? We are getting there. If I go to photos, if I select me, love it. Love it. Found the issue. The debug log says the emulator was started before we wrote the error, so it loaded empty. Okay. Restart the emulator. Okay. So let's see if it works without the... I'm going to start things here. Let's see if it works without the key first. If it does, then we will add the Gemini API key over there. Wait, what's happening? This was an hour ago. Oh no. I'm still getting this error. Let's see. So two things happened. One is just because I moved the terminal down, it rendered it over here. So I fixed that. I need to move this down maybe. Debugging. I see that the logs were loaded from customize avatar. It's triggered the project ID. Fixing the okay project mismatch, that's known. Again, we are trying to see if it can generate an avatar and based on a picture, and if it can, then we'll use the... So now if I restart my emulator, after that we restart our app. Boom. Boom. Oh, look at this handsome guy. Boom. Upload photo. Oh my god. Look at this handsome guy. Oh, okay. No errors. So... Okay. Oh no, there's some error. Let me close this. Okay. Okay, so it works. So let me Gemini API key. Let me do this then. Let me do this. So now if I shut down, if I do this, I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. So this guy is wearing a purple t-shirt and a gray pant. And let's see what it does. Okay, it's a model error. Let's see. Gemini API models. I think it's using Gemini 2. No, this is not what I want to see. What I want to see is the list of models. Model list. This is what I want to see. Okay, 3.1 Pro preview. Okay, I want to see Gemini 3 Flash maybe. This I can directly upload. Here you go. Model list. Yeah, it's using 2 Flash, so I can use 3 Flash preview. Let's see if there is a 2.5 Flash. Yeah, there is a 2.5 Flash. Let's use this. Now if I okay, it loaded the function. I'm going to start Tauri again. Tauri. Okay, who's the second guy? Who is this guy? Upload. Photos. This guy. Analyzing. Oops. What was the issue? Please retry report invalid argument. Ding. Close this. Close this. Close this. Paste here. I'm not sure how is it going to create the avatar from this. Maybe it can get my skin data. I don't know if it's smart enough to get the hair color, the awesome salt and pepper hair that I have. And maybe what else? Skin, hair, top, bottom, accent. I don't have all these things. I mean, I have it. I don't have it in the picture. Maybe we'll have to default it to something. And even if it doesn't work, maybe we'll create a Avatar customization menu. Ooh, maybe that is easy. Maybe that is easy. Have a avatar. Ooh. I just had a brilliant idea. If this doesn't work, I'm not going to pursue the API. Oh my god, I'm such a genius. I'm such a genius, guys. Oh my god. I'll show you what I mean. Because this doesn't make sense. Uploading picture doesn't make sense. I'm just going to try it once because we already. Oh my god, I'm such a genius. Because for what is this? Vox? I keep forgetting. Voxel, right? Doesn't make sense that you have to upload a picture to do that. It doesn't change anything. But if we provide the color picker, and it will also look good. And now I'm hoping this doesn't work because I don't want to waste my tokens on this. Okay. Doom. This is me. Okay, failed to upload. Okay, I don't care. I don't want to do this. New plan. Instead of using image upload and Gemini API, let the user. Let me draw this. Let me quickly draw this. Oops. Let me quickly. I can also show you what I have in mind. Template. Where is it? New screen recording. New movie recording. Orange iPad. This. Let's open this. Not this. Let's open this. Yeah. Let me show you what I'm thinking. So instead of us uploading a picture and then Gemini deciding, we'll have to wait 2 minutes, and Gemini deciding what are the hair color, blah, 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 all those things, we will create a avatar customization UI, right? And I'll show you. I have exactly in mind what the UI looks like. So let me just start prompting while my Apple Pencil charges for a few minutes. Create a avatar customization menu. Avatar customization UI. User clicks on customize avatar. What is this called? Upload photo. from the command menu. Okay. Go away. Okay. This can be irritating, so I'm going to shut it down. Yes. User clicks and customize avatar from we are just give me a second, okay? And I'm writing my thought. From command menu, it opens a window with the existing avatar on the left, left, and avatar parts with a color picker on the right. Oh, this is so good. On the right column, user changes the color using color picker and the avatar color is updated. The avatar is rotating, is constantly rotating. As a imagine game character. Let's see if it can do that just by the prompt, without the image, without my screenshot that I was going to provide. Hey, I remembered what's happening in Middle East and we are celebrating Holi here. Means what do you mean? But while this cooks, let me show you what I mean. So now if I do this, yeah. So when you click on customize avatar, it will open this window. You will have your something like this, right? This is how your avatar looks, and then there will be hair and a color picker, face and a color picker, whatever, shirt and a color picker, pant and a color picker, and then you click on this, you change the color, and the color changes here. And this will be like constantly rotating. Ooh, so something like this. I think this will be able to create without any additional prompt. No, I know the y-axis spinning. Okay, perfect. Proceed. No, I know what's happening in Middle East. I'm like seeing how, like, what do you mean by, like, what's your take on it? Like you said, what's happening there, and we are celebrating Holi here. Like, are you saying we shouldn't celebrate the Holi, or you are commenting on the state of the world, where one corner of the world people are dying, getting tormented, censored by the government, and the other corner of the world people are celebrating a festival? By the way, are they still attacking or they are done? Oh yeah, see, that's like I understand that, Um, in a joke, I know. But that's the thing, right? If you remember, even in India itself, when Manipur riots, again, I don't know if it's settled or not, but when Manipur riots was happening, the rest of the India was going on as nothing has happened, right? Oh, fuck. During COVID, we were having marriages and festivals and celebrations, breaking the law and doing that, when hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people were dying around the world, including in India. Unfortunately, it's the state of the world that there is going to be a large chunk of human population suffering, and then there's going to be minority of the population trying to fix the suffering, minor part of the population trying to cause the suffering, and the part of the population just going on with their lives. Yeah, it can be. It could be anything. It could be BJP's incompetency. It could be people's lack of common sense. It could be both. Exactly. But yeah, that's the thing. Like, it's a human tendency, and I see this much more common in India, that people are, including me when I was there. Maybe I'm still like that. People are much more self-involved, and they look for their self-interest more than the communities and the country's self-interest. I know, man. I know. I can imagine. It's so our government only care about stuff if there are elections coming in, and then to their way of caring is horrible. But politics is something that I can go on talking about for hours. Without building stuff. So we'll just focus on that. Let's see. Customize the avatar. What do you think? Tan the man? Ooh, white hair. Skin color. Oh, I want Simpsons top. And pants black. Shoes are red. Okay. Save and apply. That's cool. Let me make it hair gray. This is cool. But now, does it persist? Does it update Firebase in any case? Oh. This is a real-time database demo project. Users, position, color palette. Oh yeah, it does. So it should persist. Oh, it didn't persist. It did not persist. This was the guy. Okay. But still, it's still better than that. I fully support separate. Nobody will care about you, but the country is also yours. So, and see, that is the thing. If you go, I'm sure you might have gone, but if you visit other countries outside India, and I'm not saying this is, I don't know who's. So our country has been dealt with very bad cards. And when I say that, I'm not justifying the government's or people's behavior. But here is the thing. In India, ever since, like historically, it has been that the people in power, people ruling, they don't look after the population. The population look after the people in power, and the population have to look after themselves as well. Whether it's the kings and the queens and the royals of before Mughals came, right? All the states were fighting within each other. Whether it was the Mughals, whether it was the Britishers, or whether it was the current government, BJP, AAP, Congress, any freaking political party. So our Indian common folks, they are not too aware of the concept that, okay, government is supposed to take care of us, right? And we in return, we just have to follow the rules, be civilized to each other, pay our taxes, and do the right thing, right? Even if you just do those things, you are doing more than enough for the country. And the government will take care of the rest of the things. Government will take care of the infrastructure, will take care of your health, of your education, of protect the country, provide you jobs, provide you all those cool things. And so people, they don't know this, so everyone just thinks, I have to take care of myself. I don't have anyone else to take care of me. Government will not have my back when I need it, so I have to take care of that. And that's what makes people very self-involved, very much focused on self-interest rather than the community's interest. Exactly. But if you leave India, if you go out, right? So I've seen this in US, even with all its faults right now. This is still true in US, this is true in Canada, that government takes care of you. As long as you are following the law, you are doing all the right thing, you are paying your taxes, all that. It's not perfect, okay? There are things that go wrong. There are people who still suffer. But I have seen the leaders in the government here are much more responsible, and they sincerely make an effort to take care of the people, take care of the country. And that's why people are not that self-involved. If you go outside, people are much more accepting, much more trusting, much more focusing on the community. Okay, let's get together and do things together as a community, rather than, okay, let me figure out my stuff and I'm done. So it's a chicken and egg problem. I don't know how to fix it, but this is what my observation is. Anyway, so this is working. I'll just let this guy know. Customizing screen with but is applicable for the user to customize. I'm going to commit this. Git commit -m added customization and self avatar. Exactly. And then see, that's the thing. We learned, I don't know if you learned this in your history books, but I learned this in my history books, that this is how Britishers ruled over India for 200 years or something, right? 100 years, 200 years, whatever. This is how they ruled. They divided us so that we wouldn't unite against the British, and they ruled. And this is what the government did. You divide them, right? You give your youth an enemy other than yourself and keep the youth busy with that enemy, and the youth will not come back and ask you the question, hey, why am I graduating and I don't have a job? Why are the roads broken? Why are the bridges breaking? Why is government not doing anything with climate change? Why is there so much corruption, right? No one asks that. right? As long as, let me fix my religion, let me be Hindu, let me be Muslim. You're so busy with that bullshit. The most basic way. And this is what Trump is doing right now, even in US. That's what he's doing. He's trying to us versus them, two-party. Democrats are evil, Republicans are. This is what dictators do. They don't care about the people. They care about their position and their power. And unfortunately, BJP, they are good at doing this. They are so good at doing this. Did I commit? Yeah, exactly. And then, they need money, and then young people, right? They need strong motivation for something. So if you motivate them enough and you tell them, hey, your career, your knowledge, your whatever, family, food, you can sacrifice these things because it's a very important issue. Like, it's meaningful to save your religion. If you convince them that, they're going to live or like get rid of everything and then just focus on the religion. And then after a while, after you invest like 3-4 years in that, as an individual, if you're doing that, it's hard to see the truth and then give up your belief system, because now it's a more social construct. Now you are connected to the people with this belief system. If you say, now I realize this is not important, let me not believe in that, you are giving up your whole social connections, right? It's hard to say, I was wrong. I'm sure a lot of people, lot of news anchors, lot of such influencers, they know they are wrong, but it's hard to say I'm wrong and then change lanes. So they just continue because they are, exactly. There was a nice clip I saw. Oh man. There was a nice clip I saw where they were comparing the natural resources of India and other countries, where like, okay, this is the place where India is the place where rivers are goddesses, and other countries where rivers are rivers. And how you treat when a river is a natural resource versus how you treat river when river is a goddess. It's so polar opposite. Like in one case where it's a natural resource, people were taking care of it, they're neat and clean, you can just drink the water out of it and nothing will happen to you. And on the other hand, you know what Ganga and Yamuna is. So okay, we have done this. Let's see. Okay, I want to remove all the Gemini. Okay, remove. This is perfect. Remove all the Gemini. Oops, didn't mean to do that. API reference. And what else? Related changes. Few more changes. Let us fix the bug first. The avatar customization is not consistent. After I customize the avatar and restart the app, my self avatar is different, and saved avatar renders as a user. Fix this. We'll go one thing at a time. Anyway, Stan, yeah, this is a unfortunately sad, confusing topic. My friend is calling me. I need to tell him. Session storage gets a new firebytes key each time, losing fixing local. Okay. I think next stream. Time to end the stream then. Once I fix this bug, after that I'll end it. Next stream I'm going to stream on Twitch, and we are going to link Twitch to this, and ideally the behavior I want to see is your Twitch messages come up in the avatars over here. Okay, let's restart the app. Oops, didn't do this. Okay, so now if I customize and if I save, you guys can see the characters, right? Ooh. So let's see. Hair color, white. Skin color, I like the Simpsons. Bottom is black. And shoes. What color shoes? Orange? Green. There you go. Save and apply. So this is my avatar, okay? Let's do this so we can see it properly. This is my avatar. Oops. Man, I'm such an idiot. This is my avatar, okay? I don't know how clearly can you see in the chat, in the stream, but it has white color, blue t-shirt, black jeans, and green shoes. So now, are you going to make our avatars yourself? I was thinking about that. So, one option could be we could maybe do that using Twitch like chat commands, where you could say customize and then you could just add details. So okay, let's talk about see it's consistent now. There you go. You can see it better when I click on this. Yeah, it's consistent. Yeah, good. Mission accomplished. Let me commit. Let me give a next command and then we'll chat. Git status, git add, git commit, I know them. Changes, API call, and functions. One is we could have the chat command that customizes the avatar for you. So you can do slash customize, blah, 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 blah. Other is providing a UI to do that. Again, with the UI, it's the same. I mean, I have to, let's say I provide a UI. I have to create a website that allows you to log in using your Twitch, because now you have to link it with your Twitch thingy. And then you can customize it over there. We can do that in the customization in the later phase. Once we have the basic thing working, that should be easy. We want to think about what can we do after creating these avatars. Right? Just popping up chat messages and all is fun, but what else can we do? And then how would we end this project? I need to think about that. How does it look if I open it in a browser? I didn't open it in a browser, but let's see. Why can't I? Is it making changes? Okay. Okay. Is this the browser version? Yeah, this is the browser version. So we'll need to think about that. Okay, now let us run again. So it should have the customization, and I should be able to, yeah, it has the customization. And if I go to the browser, yeah, I can, this should still work. Holy guacamole! I can type. Oh yeah, this still works. That still works. It can be a bit better, but that still works. Are you planning to play RE9? What is RE9? Oh, Resident Evil. Man, my video gaming days are not till few more, not till like June or July. Not that I don't want to play, but my whole desk setup, my whole setup is, I customized it to let me focus more on work and AI development and all. And now it's a hassle to go back to that, because I have 2 laptops, a streaming PC, a AI PC, and bunch of other hardware on my desktop right now. If I want to play a game, I have to like switch everything, and it's a hassle. And a stream account. Sure, we'll do that. But like in few months, I'll have a different setup where everything will be accessible. That's when I'll start gaming. I want to play Arc Raiders a lot, so maybe I'll do that. But not till June. So yeah, 3 more months. Plus, I'm having fun building stuff. But Dan, think of something. Think of a day-to-day problem that can be improved by an app or AI agent or something. Something that even if something that you face at your college. I would love to build something, like your studies. Can an AI agent help there? Maybe a social network for students. Something that is a real problem, and then you see a value. What's changing in few months? I'll have more desk space to set everything up. So we might be moving to a different place, so where I'll have more space to keep all my hardware. I'll have more monitors. My one monitor got busted, so I only have 2. I need 4. So, but this is working, so let's take some notes for next time. Let's add a new task here. Which one am I editing? So what can we do? All right. The thing is now in my life right now is that I cannot get to my city to college in a smooth way. Okay. Interesting. There's no music here. Let me think. Where can an app help there in a safe and a smooth way? That is the. Let me think about it. We can chat on Discord more. Like superficially, it seems like a solvable problem, but it's superficially, so I don't have enough information for that. So I won't comment on that yet. But I think this is a good time to stop. Oh, by the way, next week, our timings will be different. I'll be online early because daylight saving starts next week. So I'll be online by 8:30 p.m. your time instead of 10:30. So that'll be fun. Yeah. Or 9:30, but yeah. Well, like a Rapido that won't cost 100 for the ride. Okay. Yeah, I'm just thinking ride sharing. That's an interesting problem to solve. A cheap ride sharing. And then ride sharing would be cheap only if the person is going there, right? Like if someone is already going there, then it will be cheaper. That okay, might as well take tan with me and I learn $50, 50 rupees or something. What is daylight saving again? So in all these countries, a lot of countries around the world, there is this concept where they change the time during summer. I think daylight saving starts. Daylight saving Canada. It starts on the second Sunday of March. Yeah. So basically they change the clocks. So during this time they're going to bring the clock 1 hour forward on Sunday. So what will happen is I think 1 hour forward. Well, this is very confusing, but basically the time changes. The clocks they go 1 hour forward. Oh yes, so we'll get less sleep. That's horrible. But on Sunday, March 8th, this is what will happen. At 2 a.m., the clocks are turned 1 hour forward to 3 a.m. So now everything is 1 hour early. So when we wake up at 6 a.m., our current 6 a.m., that will be 7 a.m. So we'll get more sunlight. When we wake up at 6 a.m., it will be more sunlight. The days will be longer. So original concept was that you'll get more daylight and you'll be able to enjoy daylight more. And they do it in every March. So every March, it will go 1 hour forward, and then every November they'll put 1 hour back. No, sun will be same. The timings, right? So your mornings, your evenings, your scheduled timings will change. So there will be more light in the evening and less light in the morning. So this they used to do historically because I think to save electricity or something, but now it's meaningless. But the people still do that. It's a bad. It's a traditional thing, not a traditional thing, but I think that they keep doing it. US, Canada, a lot of countries. I know. Even I don't know why they do it now, but they still do it. Anyways, Tan the Man, thank you so much for joining the stream. Code Prarth, thank you so much everyone for stopping by. Like I said, next stream will be earlier. We are going to stream on Twitch and YouTube. So someone remind me on Discord that I need to link Twitch to my streaming software as well. Otherwise I'll forget and then there will be technical issues. But hopefully early stream and dual stream, and we'll build something cool out of it. Again, thank you so much for joining. I'll see you all next week. Till then, adios. Take care. Stay safe. Good night, guys. Peace. And I still don't have a end screen. So I'm just going to end the stream. Bye. Bye, Tan. Good night.